What's up, guys? This is Aaron from Great Lakes RC, and today is the debut of my rebuilt Kraton. So first thing I did is I've been running the green Desert Militia body for a long time, and I wanted to get an actual Kraton body. This custom body came up for sale. I got it from Skin Jobs RC. The guy's name's Craig. I did a fantastic job, and I just had to have this. So I reinforced it all with Gorilla Tape. And then I thought, well, since I'm going Kraton, I might as well add the cage and the mud guards. So I've never actually had all Kraton before. And of course the tires. Still running the 8S with the Mamba Monster X 8S ESC with a 22 tooth on 6S. Let's give it a rip. All right. See what she's got. A lot of power on tap. I've been running this on 5S with this setup. Haven't actually run it on 6 yet. With the Kraton 8S motor. Even more power. Oh yeah. Gives a satisfying thud when it hits the ground. I love a fully optioned Kraton, huh? It's just so amazing of an RC. And we're into fall now, so the days are shorter, bashing time's more limited. But you know, we'll get out when we can. Wow. That was it hits the ground hard. A lot of weight behind it nowadays. Wow. That is up there, boys. I'm standing on my deck. I felt that went parallel with it. Oh, that wasn't good. Boop, 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 boop. Whoa. Whoa! Almost took myself out. That was a nice jump. All right, guys, there's a run of my redone Kraton. Couldn't be happier. Thing's an absolute animal. I've had this one probably the longest out of any of my RCs, and it's got so many upgrades in it. A lot of M2C, a lot of GKA, some voltage. So couldn't be happier with the custom body, and love hitting this ramp. So we'll catch you guys next time.